Hi guys, welcome to Craft It Up. Today we are going to make a spiked ribbon ponytail holder like this one right here. And for this what you'll need is 8 pieces of 7/8 inch wide grosgrain ribbon cut to a length of 5.5 inches. For this bow I used 4 different ribbons, and this one that we're going to make right now I'm also going to use 4 different ribbons. You'll also need a pair of scissors, a needle with thread, a ponytail holder, a lighter, a button for the center of the bow, and a glue gun. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to fold our ribbons in half, and we are going to make a crease. You may use your lighter to heat the fold and crease it so it'll mark better. Okay, so I finished marking all the creases on my ribbons, and what we're going to do now is we are going to grab each ribbon again and we are going to fold the ends like this, and we are going to cut them at an angle like this so that it looks like this. We're going to do that to all our ends. Be sure to begin cutting on one of the edge that's loose, not where the fold is. Alright, so I've finished cutting all my edges like this, but we don't want our ends to fray, so we're going to grab our lighter and we're going to heat seal our ends. Okay, so we finished heat sealing all our ends, and they won't fray because bows with fraying ends do not look very nice at all. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our needle and our thread. As you can see, I have these in order. Okay, I'm going to put them in my bow. So I'm going to grab the first one and I'm going to fold it right in the middle, okay, where my crease is. Like this. This is my crease right here. I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to grab my needle and I'm going to push the needle right through the middle where the crease is. Like that. Okay, and I'm going to hold it on with my thumb and my index finger. I'm going to hold on to it. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this next ribbon. I'm going to fold it in half and push it right through the crease. Okay, keep them in your needle. And do the same thing with all the other ribbons. Fold them in half and push the needle right through the middle where the crease is. Okay, when you have finished, it should look something like this. Now you're going to push your needle all the way through with your thread, and you're going to go around and you are going to wind it up. And you are going to get your ribbons in place. There we go. Okay, and we are going to tie a knot now, but we're not going to cut off the thread yet. Okay, see? And I'm going to grab my ponytail holder and I'm going to put it just where I want it to go. And I'm going to wind the thread around it, around the ponytail holder and the ribbon. So you probably want to open your ribbons a little bit like this. Okay, hold your ponytail holder in place and go around. A couple of times so that your ponytail holder will not come off when you're putting it on the hair. Okay, so go around a couple of times and then make a knot. And cut off the rest of your thread. Okay, so we have our spikes there, and that's looking pretty good. Now what you want to do is, if you have an excess thread here, you're going to cut off. Okay, and now with our hot glue gun, what we're going to do is we are going to put a dab of glue in the middle, right in the center, and we are going to grab our button or whatever it is that you want to put in the middle of the bow. Hold it down for a while so that it glues on well. And there you go. You have your spiked ribbon ponytail holder. Please like and subscribe and keep watching for new videos every week. Thank you. Bye-bye.